Tegoder composition Baobab Oil have essential fatty acids that restore the skin barrier and defense function. Vegetable sterols increase skin lipid content and have restructuring effect on both the skin barrier and defense function and of the cellular membrane. It also contains D, E, and A vitamins. D, as we always know, it's immune system regulator, which supports the skin natural immunity and helps with the general repair of the damaged tissue. Vitamin E is antioxidant and repair, protects the cells and cell membrane from free radicals and environmental oxidative stress. And vitamin A is renovating. It acts as an antioxidant and helps in the formation of new collagen and hyaluronic acid, which increasing the skin elasticity and firmness. Baobab oil is must in my beauty skin care regime. For more information and how to use it, please DM or email me on the email you see on your screen. Thank you.